Hello everybody, this is the AI search directory, a pretty straightforward tool. You have here a couple of filters. So what it does basically is just giving you a list of all available AI search optimization tools, AEO, GEO tools, whatever you want to call it. Here are a couple of filters that help you find the correct tool. So you can filter by type, or you can filter by basically person or type of company you are. Then here are some feature tools. You can click here to visit the website of the tool. You can also go to, for example, the details page. Then there's even more explanations about the tools, some pricing info, the platforms that are covered. I added videos to most of the tools. And you can also compare. So you click here, and then there's a comparison page of the selected tools. You see here all the features being compared to the platforms available. Then there is also a blog section, which I started to fill already. So you can also learn AEO here. You can subscribe even to a newsletter if you want. But the main thing are the tools. You see I have around, I think, 36 or something should be here. Yeah, you can even submit your own tool if you have one. Please submit it. I can add it to a directory and make it more complete. And then there's a FAQ. That's it. Thanks for listening.